In this demo, we will show how digital workers from Centelli can automate and integrate your existing applications without making expensive customizations or developing new integrations. For the demo, we're going to demonstrate doctor scheduling. Supply chain companies often have call centers where drivers must call in to book an appointment. That process requires drivers to navigate a complex set of prompts through your phone system and then speaking to an agent that you have to staff. In this demo, you will see how we're using simple SMS text messages on a phone along with smart conversational AI to schedule appointments. The underlying system could be your existing doctor scheduling system, or so you can simply use private calendars and allow Centelli's digital workers to provide a low-cost, quickly deployed intelligent solution. We've defined 3 different types of doctors for this example: freezer docs, fridge docs, and standard docs. There is a few appointments already created for Wednesday, January the 13th. Let's create another one for also 10 a.m. on Jan 13th. We can say things like tomorrow, today, day of week, particular date, and so on. So we're saying 10 a.m. tomorrow, demo 133. Demo 133, by the way, is the bill of lading number. In this particular example, we're showing that a single bill of lading number can only have one appointment at any given time. So as you can see, Doctor 15 has been reserved, a text message sent back to the driver, along with the fact that the calendar has been updated. Let's try a different way to create this appointment. 10 a.m., 13 Jan, demo 136. This is to demonstrate the conversational AI piece. As you can see, whether we did tomorrow, 13 Jan, a doctor has been reserved. So in this case, Doctor 14 was reserved. So you can see different doctors get picked up based on the availability of those doctors and the definition, whether they're standard or not. Because in my messages, I'm not defining whether it's a freezer, fridge, or standard. The default is standard. If a driver wanted a freezer appointment, for example, then we will simply type in the word freezer. So we'll say freezer, 11 a.m. Wednesday, demo 833. So in this particular example, we're using the word freezer to tell the system that a freezer appointment needs to be made. As you can see, it has come back and said, hey, this appointment already exists. Why? Because if you can look on the calendar, demo 833 for 11 o'clock with doctor number 10 already exists. Let's try creating one more for 10 a.m. on the standard docs, just to see what that does. So let's do 10 a.m. Wednesday, demo 565. In this particular example, we are suggesting that only 4 doctors are available for standard. The system is configured to look at alternative times within a 2-hour time block. So in this case, we're saying the requested time slot was not available. A message has been sent back to the driver, suggesting Doctor 15 has been reserved for 11 a.m. instead of 10 a.m. Why? Because at 10 a.m., we already had 4 appointments that was full. So thus it created an appointment for 11 a.m. instead. What if the driver is running late and they want to make a change? Very simple. So you can do something like change, BOL, demo 136. As you can tell, demo 136 is scheduled for 10 a.m., right? We're going to change that to noon on Jan 13. So the word change will indicate to the system that you want to make a change to an existing booking versus making a new one. And as you can see, appointment has been changed and Doctor 15 has been reserved instead. So we moved it from 10 o'clock to noon, and we changed the doctor as well. Why? We picked doctors randomly in this case. What if I wanted to cancel an appointment? Something happened, I'm no longer going to be delivering that load. Again, very simple. You can do cancel, BOL, demo 136. The word cancel or delete would indicate to the system that you want to cancel that appointment. And in this case, it's been canceled. As you'll see, demo 136 will disappear from the calendar here in a second. There it is, appointment canceled. So very simply, we've taken a phone-based manual human interaction to very simple SMS-based solution, extremely low cost, quickly deployed, and it allows you to take your existing tools and applications and integrate them together.